A magnificent Gothic Revival estate. Located in Gainsborough, Lincolnshire, England. It offers 8 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Northorpe Hall sits within 6.5 acres of private Lincolnshire countryside and is one of the region's most distinguished Grade 2 listed homes. Built in 1873 in the Gothic Norman Revival style, this impressive 8-bedroom, 6-bathroom residence offers generous accommodation, including 5 reception rooms, a cellar, and the expansive Monson room, ideal for conversion into a cinema, orangery, or further living space. A long tree-lined drive leads to the house, with sweeping views over landscaped lawns and gardens. 3 substantial brick outbuildings provide excellent potential for additional accommodation. The asking price of this magnificent Gothic Revival estate is £2,500,000. With its striking double-height stained glass windows and beautifully preserved period features, Northorpe Hall offers a rare combination of privacy, scale, and architectural character. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.